Oh, gummy worms!
That candy's been here an awfully long time. I'd think twice if I were you.
Don't tell me how many times to think.
You are not bringing that thing home.
Then stand back. This doesn't taste like I thought it would.
Well, if you're through, let's check out that discount book warehouse.
We already own a book.
Wisconsin from above. Veterans Day parades. Ooh, Smiles of Ireland. Red-headed twins? Their mother must have her hands full.
Cool, a carpenter's library. This doesn't look easy, but I'll bet it is.